When you develop something, this is fun to see how people will use your tool and make their own version. So for example, for my PieMaster add-on here, personally what I like to do is to create this kind of pie menus. This one is for my Better Pie menu add-on. This is a preset for it, and I wanted to add more possibilities since PieMaster will give us this. So I have the basic buttons. If I click, I will go in the mode I want, etc, etc. And if I keep pressing the shortcut, I can go to this, or as you can see, like that. I can make something interesting, okay? Like that. So you will have this, you can add that, etc. So this is the power of PieMaster. You can create whatever you want. You will have a nice feature, smart features, etc, etc. If I press shift on this one, I will go to this, okay? So this is an example. So I like this kind of pie menu. Or maybe this one, as you can see, I will have some shortcuts. If I want to activate something, bam, that will give me this result. But what I can see for users using PieMaster, it's they like to use this kind of menu. Something big like that with everything they want. They use Better Pie menu, for example, for the fast pie menus, and for what they need the most, they create something like that. So this is some examples. So this is one for art surface. As you can see, you have box cutter, you have everything here. So this is exactly what they want to do. Some people do something like that too. As you can see, this is a big menu with a lot of possibilities. Okay, you will have something like that too. I think it needs to remove the name here. And there is everything here. You can change the median point, you can change this, you can do whatever you want. So with PieMaster, you can create this kind of menus. So this one is also something pretty big. As you can see, you have a lot of possibilities. This one is another pie menu here. And as you can see, you can remove the center part, and the round here, when you call the menu, will not be visible. Okay, so you can create layouts like that to do whatever you want. And you can call this one from this one if you want. This is another possibilities. And this one is something pretty simple. Okay, so you will have also something like that, basic, that will call a menu. This is a work in progress, I think, to call, for example, this one will call directly the material menu from ops. If I select this one, this one will be for mesh machine. This one will activate box cutter, and in fact it can automatically set box cutter if you want, box pie, etc, etc. So I don't have those add-ons, I cannot test this menu. This one is another one for mesh machine, as you can see. So the user added everything he used the most, and when he will call the menu, he will have that. As you can see, you can edit some part, etc, etc. So yes, this is really fun to see how people will use PieMaster. Most of them will not create something like this. They will create something like that. This is funny. And at this point, maybe I need to improve the add-on to show, to make something like this simpler. And I added recently some settings like the toggle buttons. Do I have something like that? So let's check. Yes, you can hide some buttons like this. Okay, so this is nice. Where is my... Let's see, did I remove it? Maybe, yes, I think I removed it. So I can click on a button that will show some other buttons. So I think it's in this part here. I have toggle layout. As you can see, I will exit the edit mode, and I can toggle some parts like that. So yes, you have some possibilities with the layout. You can add more than one layout, one column if you want, etc, etc. This one was another example. Same for this, same for that. As you can see, I made a lot of tests like this. And you can also, as you can see, edit design directly per button, per layout, per menu, etc. You have all the possibilities in the world. So yes, this is interesting to see how people will use what you create and make something different, as you can see. Hop.